In this video, we're going to be talking about Harmony One. We're going to be analyzing the price of Harmony One to see where price is going, and we're going to be giving a technical analysis. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe as I'm trying to hit 500 subs. As well as that, before investing into Harmony One, please do your own research as I'm not a financial advisor. So as you can see on CoinMarketCap, Harmony One is currently up 4.87% on the daily, which is really good news for Harmony One, as we did have a huge drop earlier this week. And you can see from the chart that they have provided that Harmony One is pretty much overall bullish. You can see higher high, higher lows, higher high, which is really nice to see. But if we drop into the weekly, we can see that at the start of the week we did drop to the lows of 0.11, and it looks like we gradually built ourselves back up to 0.17, which is really good. Really good essentially. But if we check on the monthly, we can see on the monthly we're still overall bearish, but it looks like we're starting to build ourselves back up into the green zone. But for now we're still in the red zone. You can see an accumulation phase or an accumulation schematic that has been played out. You can see the selling climax, the secondary test, the automatic rally, then the spring, and then with a huge reaction, a break of structure, retest, and then now we are waiting for the overall impulse up, a huge leg towards upside. But if we check on the quarterly, we can see that we're still overall bearish, and we were pretty much bullish roughly around the mid to January, and then therefore we pretty much just dropped from then onwards. On the yearly, we're still overall green in the good side, pretty much the bullish side, which is really nice to see. So if we go over to TradingView to have a bit more in-depth analysis on Harmony One. So as you can see, Harmony One did tap into this very strong demand zone. You can see here, pretty much it respected this demand zone. If we drop into the 4-hour, or even let's drop into the 1 hour, you can possibly even see. Okay, that's too low actually. Okay, let's do 4 hour. No, let's do 2 hour. 2 hour is reasonable. So you can see on the 4 hour. My bad. On the 1 hour, you can on the 2 hour. You can see that we did have this little schematic play out. What would I call this? I would call this an accumulation schematic. I did note out. So basically, this would pretty much be the selling climax. If we just put a selling climax, SC, we can just put this right here, and then from there onwards, we should say that this is a secondary test. If you know about accumulation schematics, then you would know what I'm talking about. And then therefore we have an automatic rally. We'd had an automatic rally from this region, automatic rally, and then from this automatic rally, we had a spring essentially. So let me just back out. We had a spring. So this is pretty much here. This is reverse spring. So this is what we had. And from the spring we had a huge we had a huge reversal effect. We did have a break of structure, which pretty much gave another confluence essentially on the overall, pretty much on how valid the spring is. And then therefore we did have a retest, so we could call this a retest, and from here you can see here that we did have a retest. And then now you can see that we're just having a sign of weakness, or you could still call it. We could still say that we're still in the phase, but right now we are just in the sign of weakness. So pretty much the last part of the accumulation before we go pretty much really bullish essentially. So you can see here that which is really nice for Harmony One, as it means that we could possibly be seeing this high getting taken out, which is really nice. But if we check on the daily, we can see that price is now up on his way up towards this high, essentially this lower high. But in my opinion, I think this is just a minor pullback. It's nothing major. But in my opinion, I feel like this is the main lower high that did cause this huge drop, pretty much breaking past this and this low, creating this overall new lower low. So yeah, that is it for Harmony One. But as you know, the overall crypto that does control the overall market is Bitcoin. And if we drop into the 1 hour, you can see that Bitcoin is very bullish. Bitcoin did have his accumulation phase, and we're now just waiting for this distribution phase to play out, tap into this strong demand zone on the Fibonacci, and then therefore make new highs essentially. So it's looking good for the overall crypto market. We're just gonna have to keep holding. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please, if you like, comment and subscribe. I'm trying to hit 500 subs, and peace.